Students, here I am back with your grammar chapter 17 adverb 1. We shall learn the detail about the adverb you must have learned in the lower classes also. Here we are going to learn the adverbs, types of adverbs. First, adverbs of manner. Read these sentences. He writes badly. He spends his money foolishly. He hit the ball hardly. Now the word badly, foolishly and hard are adverb of manner. Now the adverb in this sentence show how the action is done. How does he write? Badly. How does he spend his money? Foolishly. How did he hit the ball? Hard. So these are the actions. So they are adverb of manner. Now see the definition given here in this important box. The adverb which shows the manner in which some action is done are called adverb of manner. Adverb of manner answer the question how. Yes, please underline this. It's very important. You should be aware the question how. It stands for adverb of manner. Now exercise 1. In exercise 1, underline the adverb of manner in the following sentence and name the verb with which each is used. Now the first. Our soldiers fought bravely. So here fought bravely. How did they fought bravely? The boy was walking fast. How was he walking? Fast. They were talking loudly. How were they talking? Loudly. You should not do so. What should you not do? So, she writes well. How does she write? Well. Now, he could not speak distinctly. So, here distinctly speaks. He loves her truly. How does he love? Truly. The cuckoo bird sang sweetly. How did the cuckoo bird sing? Sweetly. The old man was walking slowly. How was he walking? Slowly. We were received kindly. How were we received? Kindly. Jack works hard all day. How does he work? Hard. This story is well written. How is this story written? Very well. So here all the questions you have to ask is how. So are you clear with the adverb of manner? Now let us write down in the exercise to write down the 3 sentences in your notebook, each containing the adverb of manner. Here you can form your own sentence, but I shall give you 3 sentences. That first one is she ran quickly, she speaks softly, she writes the letter carefully. You can write the sentence of your own. Now adverb of degree. Read these sentences. Examples are given. See, I shall go with the definition. The word very nearly and almost, which are thus used with adjectives to add something to their meaning, are called adverb of degree. Okay. The rose is very beautiful. His face was nearly black. The man was almost angry. The word used is with the adjective beautiful and tells how. That is beautiful. The rose is, the word nearly is used with the adjective black and it tells how black his face was. The word almost is used with the adjective angry and it tells how angry the man was. Now read the sentence. The boy ran very fast. He speaks rather slowly. The king treated his vizier most cruelly. The word used here with the adverb quickly and tells how quickly the boy runs. The word rather is used with the adverb slowly and tells us slowly he speaks. The word almost, the most, is used with the adverb carefully and tells us adverb cruelly and tells us cruelly the king treated his vizier. The word rather, very, rather and most, which are thus used as an adverb to add something to the meaning, are called adverb of degree. Is that clear to you? It will be noticed that Unlike other adverb, an adverb of degree adds something to the meaning of an adjective or another verb. We may now say that an adverb is word used with a verb or an adjective or another adverb to add something to its meaning. Now exercise 3, you can see in the yellow box many adverbs are given. Fill in the blank with suitable adverb of degree. Choose from the word given alongside. Now I shall discuss the exercise. She sings perfectly well. The word perfectly is given in this yellow box. The sea was almost stormy. He is quite careless. You are absolutely right. We rose rather early. I am so glad to hear it. Are you positively sure? He is now somewhat better. The distance was too long. We were extremely kindly received. We go to Chennai pretty often. The light is awfully dim. The time passed terribly slowly. I wrote to him just last week. The ground is not perfectly level. He was nearly late for the train. The old man is totally blind. The train stopped really suddenly. I fairly much regret the mistake. Who is that running highly fast? The snake was practically dead with cold. The old man lived entirely alone. I am very much obliged to you. Now we learn interrogative adverb. Here examples are given. Read these sentences. When did you come? Where is Abdul? How did you do it? Why are you late? In the above sentence, the word when, where, how, why are the adverbs which are used in asking question. They are called interrogative adverb. Now exercise 4, we shall solve exercise 4. Fill in the blank with appropriate interrogative adverb. Where is my cricket ball? When is your examination? Why did you not bring the umbrella? Why are you so lazy? How much money have you? Where does this train go? When did you get up this morning? How many books do you have? Why did you not call me? Yeah. Now children, I request you to go through this lesson, read one time, try to do exercise on your own and learn all these 3 definitions, that is adverb of manner, adverb of degree and interrogative adverb. Thank you.